What if one purchase could eliminate airport meltdowns, cramped cars, and bulky gear forever? In 2025, these 5 car seat and stroller combos are revolutionizing family travel with 1-second transitions, airline-approved designs, and shock-absorbing tech ***. Wait till you see number 3, it folds smaller than a diaper bag. All purchase links? Check the description. Let's roll. Number 1. Graco Outpace LX Travel System. It's a comfortable ride for the baby. When we're walking with our dog, the 3-wheel design is nice because it gives the dog a little extra space to walk next to the stroller without accidentally getting clipped by one of the front wheels on a 4-wheel design. Lower travel systems are often bulky and difficult to maneuver, but not the Graco Outpace LX. We were surprised by how well it handled bumps in different terrains during testing, resulting in a smooth ride. We suspect this is because of the brand's Comfy Tech suspension system, which is essentially a wavy bar beneath the seat that absorbs shocks. The rubber tires also help absorb bumps and provide cushioning as the stroller transitions from one surface to another. We were equally impressed by this travel system's low price. Number 2. Graco Mode's Pramette Travel System. It's so easy to do things now when I run errands. This travel system is outrageously inexpensive for what it is and the quality it provides. I'm honestly so grateful for it. Rachel, the Graco Mode's Pramette is one of the most inexpensive travel systems on the market. It offers a smooth ride and plenty of storage space. The fabric is nice, and the spacious cargo area holds enough items for babies and parents. We appreciate extra features like a phone holder, cup holder, reclining toddler seat, and adjustable canopy. Number 3. Doona Convertible Infant Car Seat Stroller System. Whether you're running errands or traveling by car, train, or plane, Doona is the complete travel system. Move from car seat to stroller at the click of a button, without disturbing your sleeping child. Easy to use, with an adjustable handlebar, washable materials, and an intuitive design, Doona's one-click, secure mechanism ensures correct installation every time, and allows you to explore the world with an infant, with freedom and flexibility. Ergonomic support. Doona is designed to ensure your baby's body is properly supported. The Doona Infant Insert's near-flat ergonomic design boosts your newborn's upper and lower back and ensures the neck and back are aligned. Safe includes 3-layer side impact protection, anti-rebound bar crash technology and a 5-point safety harness. It's TUV and FAA aircraft approved for travel, made with baby-safe materials, and the canopy is water-repellent with UPF 50+ sun protection. Number 4. BOB Gear Wayfinder Travel System. BOB Gear Wayfinder Baby Travel System Infant Car Seat and Stroller Combo includes the Wayfinder Jogging Stroller, Champ Infant Car Seat with Wilder Car Seat Base, Adult Stroller Cup Holder, and Infant Car Seat Adapters. Cruising streets or tracking miles, BOB Gear Wayfinder Jogger Stroller pairs a sleek and slim stroller design with high-performance jogging features to give you the best of both worlds. One-hand dual-retract foldable stroller, BOB Gear Stroller folds about 30% smaller compared to 2021 Thule Urban Glide 2 and Yupa Baby Ridge. Wheels tuck in to free up 3 inches of space, plus canopy and basket remove for easy storage in tight spaces. Move smooth, ride steady. Portable stroller has independent dual suspension and air-filled tires to keep you strolling steady on bumpy sidewalks and rocky roads. Switch modes for running, front wheel swivels for easy steering on walks and strolls, then locks into place when you're ready to run. Consult a doctor before running. Number 5. Graco Mode's Nest 2 Grow. Single stroller expands to a double as your family grows, includes everything you need to transition from single to double stroller with the infant car seat. Enjoy face-to-face smiles by raising the Slide to Me seat or infant car seat to one of 3 height positions to find just the right ride. Reversible stroller seat can face parent or the world, for just the right ride as baby grows. For strollers in one, infant car seat carrier, infant carry cot, toddler stroller, double stroller. Over 15 ways to configure the stroller for the versatility you need. Includes the Graco SnugRide 35 Lite Elite Infant Car Seat, rear-facing for infants from 4 to 35 pounds and up to 32-inch for an easy transition from car to stroller. So, which of these travel heroes is joining your family? Tell me in the comments. Baby, if this video saved your sanity and back, smash that like button, share it with exhausted parents, and subscribe for more genius parenting gear. Rock it next time, breezy travel.